Hi, I'm Craig O'Neal with FLIR. Today I want to talk to you about one-touch level and span. This is an important feature offered in the latest T-Series thermal imaging cameras. This feature is valuable for low contrast scenes, in areas where you need to single out a small target against a large area with a consistent temperature. This helps you to improve contrast very quickly. If you've ever had an infrared camera where you needed to utilize a manual level and span, one-touch level and span is going to be the feature for you. Let's show you how it works. First, with your FLIR T-Series camera, simply tap the temperature scale button on the bottom right of your screen. This will take your T-Series camera from automatic to manual level and span. Once you've done that, simply tap anywhere on the screen and you'll see about a dime-sized circle show up on the screen. The camera will adjust the temperature level and span to the hottest and the coldest scene inside that circle. This will really speed up your work and make it much easier for you to focus on areas of interest. To find out more about the latest features of your FLIR T-Series thermal imaging cameras, visit FLIR.com.